What's good? What's good? Hope everyone is doing well. So I filmed this entire video and then my storage box overheated and I lost everything. So we're here for round two. If you get any value, please smash that like button, subscribe, turn on notifications if you're new. So we're going to be talking about Pundi X. First, we're going to finish looking over my portfolio. I started it in the last video, but I didn't finish it. It was accidental. So here it is. Let's give it a quick refresh. My mic's a bit in the way here. So as we can see, Cardero up 4%, XRP down 0.28, Theta down 8, VeChain down 7, Crypto Crow is down 7. Now guys, if you're worried about these coins being in the red, please watch my last video on BitTorrent where I talk about that in the beginning. Let's quickly look over at the overall market. So Bitcoin is up 5%, ETH is up 7%, which is a very good sign in this bull market. All right guys, so we go down here, we see BitTorrent up a whopping 47%. It's been growing nicely this week. Chili's down 3%. Hollow, where are my Hollow chain people at? Hot, up over 100%. Engine Coin, 5%. Pundi, 0.54%, up 9% today. Harmony One is down 10%. It's been surging lately, due for a pullback. Decentraland up 11%. Dent up 28%. Sia Coin up 17% on the week. Anchor up 66% on the week. StormX 3%, 18% today. Let's go StormX. Cody down 6%. We got Omi, whatever you want to call it, Economy, up 27%, up 17% on the day. All right, guys. I believe today is the day that, let's look it up real quick. Omi Coin website. All right, guys. Let's see if it's on Uniswap. 9 hours, guys. All right, so people know that it's going on Uniswap today, and it looks like it's causing quite a bit of buying action, which is quite funny because there were some haters in my comment section for me saying like, oh, Uniswap's not gonna do anything, the price won't even change. Yeah, well, suck it. All right, so we have Wink. It's up 34%. Guys, this is a sleeper pick. It is one of the worst performing videos on my channel, and it is an absolute sleeper, up 30% on the day. Very underrated, a hidden gem, and sometimes I like to bring those to the channel, and this is one of them. All right guys, Wabi up a huge 94%, and Student Coin 11%. So let's get into this. We're already 2 minutes into the video. So I really like Pundi X because of what they're doing. Paying with crypto is the future, guys. So we're up 8% on the day. We're up, okay, 7.77. I think we already did this, but we're going to finish it off. Over 300% on the month, and we have a whopping almost 5,000%. So we're going to go over some basic technical analysis, a quick overview of the website, very, very quick, as well as a little bit of what's going on with the redenomination, just to ease your guys' nerves. So Pundi X aims to make the use of cryptocurrency as a form of payment into reality for retailers and consumers alike, guys. So you can skip ahead if you've already seen the website and know everything. It's going to be really quick. So we can see that on March 30th, they're doing the redenomination. So use digital currency anytime, anywhere. There will be a link in the description if you are new to Pundi, providing a borderless payment ecosystem beyond fiat. All right, guys. So they are in Pundi, Brazil, Pundi, Singapore, Pundi, Nigeria, the most versatile payment ecosystem of its kind. So they have all the different forms of payment that they've used. They were at Ultra in Taiwan. Shout out to all my ravers, where they used 40 merchants and more than 30,000 festival goers during the 2-day music festival used the Pundi POS system. All right, guys. So I'm going to try to get through this quickly, as I've already filmed this video today. Flourishing ecosystem, Pundi X. It's featured all over CNN, Forbes, and it's in 30 plus countries. All right, guys. So it is worldwide: Canada, United States, South America, Europe. It's in Nigeria as well as in Asia. All right, guys. So let's just scroll down. So Pundi XPass solutions, the XPass card, frictionless transactions, mobile payment integration, top up supported. Why the Pundi XPOS? In addition to digital currency and fiat transactions, the XPOS can also support marketing and loyalty programs. All right, guys. So please look this over if you're new to the website. There's also rewards available for Pundi, and they have the roadmap, which is very important to look at. So definitely check that out. But I'd like to get through to the news, guys. So here, we'll look at that in a sec. So here on the Pundi Twitter, we are officially kicking off the token redenomination process for those who hold npxs in private wallets. Here's a step-by-step guide to change it to Pundi X. So right here, guys, there will be a link in the description to this Medium article that gives you a step-by-step guide on how you can swap your npxs to Pundi X. All right, guys, it will be a link in the description. Please check it out if you are confused about that. I'm not going to go over this entire article because it will take too long. Let's get into the technicals. All right, guys, so this is a technical buy rating on TradingView. This is for day traders, very reputable website. So we can see on the 1 day we have a strong buy, and we have a strong buy for the moving averages, and if we move that up to the 1 week, we're still in that buy zone. All right, so very good sign for Pundi. Now let's get into the basic technical analysis. So you remember in the video I made yesterday when I talked about the symmetrical wedge. So we have a very similar thing going on here. You can see down here there's a symmetrical wedge. Boom, we shot up. Symmetrical wedge. Boom, we shot up again, and now we're in a symmetrical wedge once again, and it's coming to a close, and when it squeezes, we're gonna shoot up again. All right, guys, so the chart for Pundi is looking very bullish. This is a bullish technical analysis, and we are in a bull market. So things are looking very, very good. And I'm going to go into my predictions right after we look at the Google Trends for Pundi X. You can see here, guys, on March 21st to 27th, a 76% increase in search volume. In between March 14th and 20th, a 86% increase. In between March 21st and the 27th, 100% increase. And now this line right here is kind of just calculating where it's going to be. It doesn't know yet. It hasn't fully calculated that line yet, but you can see the search interest is quite high. So let's go behind the scenes with Jax into vidIQ. This tracks search volume on YouTube. So as you can see here, almost 500,000 searches. That's very, very healthy. That's on the higher end. So if we look up hold on, guys, I'm having a major brain fart here. npxs. So npxs. Oh, almost 400,000 searches, but mostly people are searching Pundi X. All right, guys, so almost 500,000 searches per month for Pundi. So quite a lot of interest from investors. Now let's get into these predictions. All right, guys, so we're going to do my mid-April prediction. Currently, we're sitting at 0.008. All right, guys, so we're almost at 1 cent, and I think easily by mid-April, we're going to reach 0.015. All right, guys, if we look at the 3-month, you can see kind of that healthy upward trend, and I believe we're just in a small stabilization period. But as you can see on the day, we are up a decent amount, 8%. So we might be due for a breakout in the next few days. All right, guys, so by the end of April, we're easily going to be at 2 cents, and I'm going to say we're going to be at 0.025, guys. So we're going to be on our way to 3 cents, and by mid-May, I think we could easily be at 0.035. All right, guys, so mid-April 0.015. So the end of April 0.025. All right, guys, so 2 cents, 2.5, but it's 0.025, and by mid-May 0.035. all right, guys, that if we look over the 1 month chart, we can see a beautiful 304%, and April is going to be an incredible month for coins, as I have been saying. We're at the 9-minute mark, so we're going to bring this video to a close. Another thing I wanted to mention, guys, once you do the redenomination, you don't lose any money. It's not going to change how much you've invested into the coin. Your fiat currency, your USD, your Canadian, your Euro will be exactly the same. Only the amount of tokens that you have will change, but the amount of money you invested will be the same. Right, guys? So no need to trip out. So that's going to be it for this one. Hope you guys enjoyed it. A quick hello to Mufasa and Sarabi. Oh, all right, guys, and I will see you guys in the next video. Much love. Take care.